The Aceh Regional Secretary Taqwallah reported the progress of vaccination in Aceh to the TNI Commander, Hadi Tjahjanto, and the National Police Chief, Listyo Sigit Prabowo. He said the achievement of vaccination in Aceh has increased. Last September, vaccination coverage in Aceh increased by 6.3% from the existing 18.9% in August 2021. Then it was 8 again in October 2021 by 5.9%, so that by October 31, 2021, 31% has been reached, said Taqwallah in his report in a coordination meeting between the TNI Commander and the National Police Chief with the element of the Aceh Forkopimda and Fokopimda 23 district and cities at Anjong, Monmata, Meuligoe Governor. Thus, Tuesday, 2nd November 2021. Meanwhile, in October, vaccination achievement of more than 10% occurred in 4 district cities, namely Pd Jaya, Simeulue, Gayo Lues, and Banda Aceh, explained the Aceh Secretary. Taqwallah said his parties continue to make various efforts to accelerate vaccination. Furthermore, explained Taqwallah, the Aceh government has also imposed Peduli Lindungi barcodes in every office under the authority of the Aceh government.